What's up, YouTube? This your boy, What an Indicator Trader, coming to y'all back with another video. Y'all know how we do it, man. Listen, I don't know how many times I'm gonna preach to y'all about this WCM 2.0, but at this point, the numbers speak for itself. All right, like y'all see the profits, y'all see everything. Better yet, better yet. How about you take a look at the profits yourself? 200K funded challenge, man. Easy peasy. I said challenge. What I meant to say, 200K live, y'all. Feel me? I'm floating right now, 2,400. I went a lot more aggressive on this trade, guys, because it was just one of them ones, guys. It was one of them ones. I'm watching it actually right now. This zone right here, it means a lot to me. That's why you see that it's rejecting from that zone. This zone right here is going to determine whether I take profit right now or if I hold it. So I'm keeping eyes on it. This zone right here, I'm looking at it. Like I say, I want to go for 50 pips, but I risk more, so I'm not really worried. I'll take the 2,000 right now if I want to, or I just hold it. I think I might hold it depending on how this reaction gets. Like, I don't need to hold it, but I want to hold it in a way. Like, I really want to get out. But yeah, WCM, let's get to it. Did this 30-minute candle close above? Just about. So we might look at a little bit rejection. But anyway, let's get to the setup. Like how I was, if you guys not in the free signal group, I suggest you get in there, join the free group, and then join the free signal group. And I'm doing a couple free signals right now. I got like about 100. Some people took this trade with me. So yeah, like I said, we was watching it last week. Right? And we saw this little bullish move here. I'm like, yo, we're not like rule 2 was in play. Like, we had the red under the purple. Rule 2 was in play. Rule 3 was not in play. But rule 1 did not happen, which is the WCM the Will Cash Money arrow. Okay. It's called the WCM 2.0. I'm like, yo, guys, we're going to have to go down to that monthly negative 27, and we're going to touch it. We have to touch that if price want to go up. It has to bounce off that, touch it, and then fly. Like I say, guys, easy. I literally explained to you how I get in these markets, what I used to get in these markets. All you have to do is rewatch the video, understand the strategy, understand the method, and you should be fine. All right, but you might not understand it, what I'm telling you now, but if you watch the videos, what I got on YouTube, you will understand it. You'll have some knowledge. So we got the Will Cash Money arrow right here, and I'm like, guys, don't be so hype about this little bullish move, like this little up rallish move. I'm like, price is not going up unless it hit that negative 27. That monthly negative 27, it got to come see that. So what I did, as soon as when price hit it, I entered. I didn't call the signal right away. I entered really aggressive. I did not wait for a candle pattern and none of that. I entered literally right here. Boom. My first entry was right here. I put a 4-hour lot right on the negative 27, got in there, and then I put my stop loss down 50 pips below that. Then I end up catching another entry down here somewhere with another $4 lot, because I'm like, we're going up. Like, all I got to do is just wait patiently for another entry, and we're going up. So when price went down like 10 pips on me, I got in another entry with the $4 lot, put my stop, and I let it ride. I called the signal somewhere down here. Everybody didn't have the same entry. I called the signal for the signal group somewhere down here. Then price rallied up. We was floating at one point 32 pips. I'm like, guys, I'm targeting 100 pips on this move, but I think I'm going to take 50 pips and get up out of there. Or I might take profit now. You never know. Whenever I'm ready to get out, I'm going to get out. But as of right now, I don't see a reason to exit, so I'm going to be patient and hold it a little bit longer. I want to get 50 pips. Like, 50 pips is really, really my goal. So I might hold it to 50 pips, depending on what I see. But at the same time, right now on both entries, we're floating about 20-something pips. Both entries, let's go back. This entry is floating about 27 pips, and this entry is floating about 32 31 pips. So you can see the difference. I got into this entry, let me see, about a 5 pip different. So I was really, really aggressive on this trade, guys, but I understand while I'm getting in the trade, and I understand all of my rules that I've created works. All I have to do is wait for them. So in that signal group, I really, really went over, the whole thing, going over all of this, guys. It's really, really simple. It's really, really simple. All you have to do is understand the rules. I told it from step to step in the group. I'm like, yo, we got to wait for that negative 27 to get hit. Price is not doing nothing without hitting it. It got to drop down and hit that. We waited. I damn near was falling asleep on the chart for y'all. Like, damn near falling asleep on the chart trying to get this signal to y'all. I stayed up enough, took the entry, called it in the free group, sent it out to them, and everybody it's not much right now, but shit, it's up about 25 pips. Stop loss 50 pips for 100 pips. But again, I might hold it to 50 pips. I don't know. I feel like I want to. When I'm balancing right now, y'all, I feel like I'm trying to be greedy. That's what I'm battling. That's what I'm battling with. But at the same time, I'm not trying to look at the money. I'm trying to look at it from the pips. Look at it from the pip side. The pips is what I'm really, really trying to focus on here, and not the money at all. Like, I know this is a high risk trade. It's not a high risk trade. It's a great trade. What I mean is I'm risking 2% total with this trade. So I want to monitor it and treat it with respect. I know this is a high risk trade. So I have to make sure that I'm monitoring it right. I told the guys, soon when markets open, price should shoot up. It should rally up because price has to go up. This is a retracement, I guess we're trading. But I definitely know if this zone is broken, take profit should get hit. Easy. So that's why I'm being patient and I'm really waiting. Like, take profit is 100 pips, But I'm gonna be greedy at the same time, so I'm gonna let it do it. But this trade is me floating $2,500, deciding what I want to do. How I did it, WCM 2.0 method. My method, I created it. You can always reach out to me on Telegram if you want to purchase it and understand it. All my videos are on YouTube, guys. You can rewatch these things and get knowledge. All right, I give you the knowledge. All you need is the product. That's it. Once you got that, you're good to go. Like I said, I don't know anybody that does what I do. I keep trying to tell you guys. Let's go to the history real quick. I guess these are the last 2 trades. We got that one. All these wins you guys see here. That one. This is about what? That's 1,300, and then that's another 1,000. So that's like 2,200 in the month of May. So that's why, guys. That's why I'm not tripping, because that's a total of 5K if I close out right now. So that's why I'm not tripping. Like, I'm really trying to be patient and hold it. But all these trades are from the WCM 2.0. All of them. All you gotta do is understand it, what's going on, Fibonacci, take entry. That's it. So that's all you gotta do. Master that, and you're ready to trade. I don't know a lot of traders that do what I do, man. Like, I really, really don't know traders that do what I do. I see a lot of traders that don't show these things. They don't show history. They don't show live trades. They don't show accounts. They don't show none of this. It's all cap. If they can't do this, they're not legit. Like, I feel like if you're not funded and be able to track your losses and your winnings, and I'm able to literally see them, you're not legit to me. I show you guys the losses, show you guys the wins, tell you guys when I'm down, tell you guys how I get it back, all type of stuff. So I think that's what separates me from the other people, because you guys get to see this live and you guys get to see what's going on. And you guys understand what I'm doing. Like I said, I use my demo to for the indicators, and then I take the trade live on my prop firm. That's what I do. So, there's just a video you guys can see. I'm floating right now. I am in control right now. I'm in control. I can take this 2,000 right now, and that's including the 20% that they're taking. I am in control right now. I'm in control. When you're floating in profit, you're in control. You get to do what you want to do. So right now, if you was in my position, what would you do? Would you take the 2,000 knowing that you're going for 4,000 to 8,000, would you take the 2,000? Like, what would you do? You know, I mean, it's a hard decision because it's like, I don't want to leave money on the table. I want to hold it. I don't want to leave the money on the table. But at the same time, you're still going to feel good if you take profit. You're still going to feel good. You're still going to feel good about yourself. So it's not the end of the road. But I want you guys to understand, do what makes you happy. You know, do what makes you happy. And if you know, damn, it would have took me a lot to do a lot for this money, take fucking profit. Like, whatever makes you happy. That's why I always tell you in the single group, exit when you're comfortable. I have a take profit, but exit when you're comfortable, when you're ready to get out. And it's literally that simple. I don't give a damn if take profit is 500 pips. If you get out at 20 pips, if you get out at 10 pips, you're happy, right? That's the only thing that matters. When you're happy, that's the only thing that matters. It doesn't matter what nobody else says. Okay? So understand, when you're in profit and you're floating, you're in control. You know, this is a live funded account. It gets no realer than this. It gets no realer than this. Nothing at all. It gets no realer than this. I want to take live trades for you guys. I want to show you guys I'm winning, losing, whatever. It's pretty hard for me to lose when I'm following my rules. Oh, I just rhymed there. It's pretty hard for me to lose when I'm following my rules. You get what I'm saying? So I want you guys to understand, the only reason why I took my previous loss is because I didn't wait for rule 1. So that loss taught me a lot of things. It taught me to be patient and wait. Because me waiting for everything that needs to happen, it's going to be really hard and really difficult for us to lose the trade, understanding what's going on and what everything is doing. And, you know, once they're both in sync, that's it, guys. So that's all what this is about. Everything is in sync. Everything is in sync. We had the World Cash Money arrow. I kept telling people we need that arrow to even do. We can't do nothing without that. If that didn't pop up, I won't be in this trade, honestly. So I was telling them, before we do anything, we need this arrow. That arrow has to pop up. Without that, we can't do nothing. All right. Then after that, negative 27 have to get hit. Once that's hit, we already entered aggressively as hell down here. I knew we could do that, and I knew I didn't have nothing to worry about. I knew for 100%. People were like, oh, do I hold the trade over the weekend? Listen, when you're right about the direction, spread don't matter, and damn sure drawdown don't matter. Understand, when you're right about the direction, none of that matters. You know, none of it. If you're right, you're right. If you're wrong, you're wrong. Take the L, swallow it, wait for the next setup. It's literally that simple. Once I learned that, I'll start winning more, guys. Like, once I accept my losses, I start winning more. Like, literally, seriously. So, again, that's all what this video is going to be about. Again, I'm going to still hold the trade and see what happens. Like I said, you guys can see it's reacting to the zone. But I know what this template do, and I know what it's about. We're going to hold or exit out if we have any reason to. I'm going to get out. But we're expecting this reaction. We're expecting a reaction because that is a serious level right there. But it should break it. All right. But live trade, I'm going to show you guys live floating. If you got any questions, I got all the answers. Let's do